If you've been around on the channel for a while and you've seen my backpacking adventures and even my camping adventures, you've likely picked up on the way that I like to organize my gear in what is known as kit bags. Over the years, I have used and reviewed many of these kit bags, ranging from expensive to some that are on the opposite end of the spectrum. What I have here is a set of 6 kit bags from a company that I'm likely to pronounce incorrectly. Mauhoso, I believe is how you pronounce it. That's my best guess. From here on out, I'll just call these the packing cubes or the kit bags. The storage bags that make up this system are known as kit bags, and just in case you don't know what those are, I will explain. Kit bags are designed to help you organize and store different types of gear, equipment, and clothing, and these kit bags do so in compact and efficient ways. This can include things like outdoor gear, tools, clothing, food, and so on. With a kit bag set, generally they come in different sizes and shapes. That way they can accommodate different types of gear, different types of packing needs, in other words. Normally with kit bags, they step up in sizes, so you may have a small, a medium, a large, an extra large, and so on and so on. You have the different size bags to help you organize your gear in efficient ways. Additionally, kits like this allow you to quickly recognize one bag from another. That way, if you're looking for something specific, you can look at your kit bags and you can find what you're looking for very quickly. Kit bags are just one example of what separates an experienced backpacker and camper from a newbie. An experienced backpacker, for an example, will be able to locate an item quickly, whereas a noob will stash your gear all over the place and they'll have a hard time finding it. Anyways, my friends, let's go ahead and let's take a look at the Mauhoso kit bags. Let's get started. By the way, my name is Luke. I hope you're doing well. If you decide to purchase one of these kit bag sets, this is what you're going to receive. This is a draw pull bag. As you can see here, we have an opening up here at the top. Now, inside of here, I have a few of the kit bags. The rest of them, I've actually been using them. Here are the others. These are the components that make up this kit. And as you can see here, we have numerous bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is bag A. This is bag B, C, D, E, and F. The majority of these bags are different sizes with the exception of these two here. These are the same size. And again, this is bag B and bag C. Focusing on the largest bag that is part of this kit, this is bag A. This measures 19.6 inches long, 15.7 inches wide, and it has a depth of 4.7 inches. The weight of this bag here is 7.6 ounces. Now, when it comes to the features of these bags, they are the same for every single bag with the exception of the drawstring bag. So what we have here is a mesh top with a fabric side and bottom. We have a grab handle and we have two-way YKK zippers. And this is how you open up the kit bag. And as you can see here, this is huge. This offers a ton of space. A lot of capability for storing your gear. With the two bags that you see on the table, these are bag B and C, and these are the exact same size. These are the medium size bags. So as far as the measurements go, we're looking at 14.9 inches by 10.6, and we have a depth of 4.7 inches. Each one of these bags weighs 4.9 ounces. And again, we have the exact same features. Grab handle, two-way zippers with zipper pulls. And on the inside of these bags, you have a ton of space for gear. This is bag D, and we have one of these. This measures 10.6 inches by 8.6 inches, and again, it is 4.7 inches deep. The weight of this is 3.7 ounces. And of course, we have the exact same features as the others. Mesh top, grab handle, zippers. Oh yeah. What we have here is bag E, and this is the smallest of the kit bags. It measures 10.6 inches by 6.3 inches, and this one here is 3.1 inches deep. The weight of this is 2.8 ounces. We have the label, the grab handle, the zippers, and on the inside, we have a lot of gear. Now we're back to the storage bag, which is bag F. This measures 14.9 inches by 13.2. The weight of this is 4 ounces. And right there you have it, folks. Those are the kit bags that make up this system. Before I move on to my review of these bags, let me give you all a few examples of how I use them. So you can see here that we have 3 bags. This is my fire kit and cook bag. Inside of this bag you see all sorts of gear related to that category. Now this is a little bit overstocked. That's because I'm working on another project after I get done filming. But typically I would have one stove, one pot, so on and so forth. With this being overstocked though, you do get to see just how much gear can fit inside of this. I mean, we have 3 pots right here. We have fuel, alcohol stove, canister stove, solid fuel, fire kit, so on and so forth. So without a doubt, these bags do hold a lot. This is my cook kit, fire kit, and this is my power kit and light kit. I have a lantern flashlight, thermometer, battery packs, pad inflator, light strip, headlamp, and a charging cable. This is my food bag. What I have here is a meal, energy drink, I have some snacks, some coffee, a trash bag, so on and so forth. There's enough space in this one bag here, and that's bag D. There's enough space here for meals for multiple days. And also, multiple days of garbage. I tell you what everybody, we need to take a second here and go over some stats. When it comes to the materials, the zippers are YKK, which is impressive, especially when you consider the price. The company claims that this is US Sourced Nylon Multicam. They do not provide any sort of information as to what denier this is. I simply do not know by simply feeling it. The best way that I can describe the materials for these bags is that they are Cordora-like. At the time of filming, this set runs $40, and the weight of the entire kit is 1.7 pounds. In a nutshell, those are the kit bags. I've gone over the features, the stats. Let's go to the review, starting with the pros. Pro number 1 is quality. The quality of these bags is excellent, especially for the money. The stitching is perfect. There's no loose threads, nothing like that. And also, the durability of these bags has been excellent. As you all can see here, I fill them full. On my adventures, I'm not gentle with them. I rip them out, throw them on the ground, and yet they just keep on going with no issues. These are very well designed and thought out products. The handles work well, the zippers are very smooth, and these bags allow for a high degree of versatility. You can pack these in any sort of way that you want to, and you can use them for any type of trip that you want to. Backpacking, car camping, truck camping, canoeing, so on and so forth. You could even use these as like travel bags inside of your luggage to organize your gear, and also your clothing. Speaking of which, if you were to use these bags for your clothing, they would assist with keeping your clothes wrinkle free. You pack everything in there, you store it, and everything stays wrinkle free. That's a plus. Going back to outdoor purposes, when you're using these bags, it allows you to organize your gear into separate compartments. That way you can keep everything nice and organized, nice and neat. What I do personally, as soon as I take a product out, I use it, I put it right back up. That way I do not misplace it. Again, this is a pro move. Not only are these bags keeping you organized, but at the same time, they're saving you time. Each one of these bags is labeled differently, so all you have to do is keep in mind what each bag is. Next on my list of pros, we have to talk about value. The overall value of this system here is very good. $40, 6 bags, each one of them very useful. All of them offers a lot of versatility, and they're well designed. When it comes to organization systems like this, they can be rather expensive, but in this case here, the quality is great and the price is low. Next on my list of pros, we have to talk about value. For the money, you're getting a lot of bags here, a lot of versatility, and you're able to organize your gear, and it's going to save you time. In my opinion, that offers a lot of value. A lot of value at a low price. One of the best features to this system here are the mesh tops. That way you can look inside of each bag, you can see the gear, you can see the food item that you're looking for, whatever it may be. With these mesh panels, we have a window into each one of these bags, so you can see what's inside of there, in addition to the bags being labeled. Now let's move over to the cons that I have for this system. The only real con that I have here is weight. At 1.7 pounds for the entire kit, this is on the heavy side. If weight is important to you, there are much lighter systems out there. I reviewed many. Make sure to check out my channel for further agenda-free reviews. If I was going to nitpick, I could come up with one more slight con when it comes to this system. Each one of these bags is on the larger size. They are designed to hold a lot of gear, which may not be what you're looking for. You may want bags that are on a smaller size because you have less gear with you. That would make sense. To flip that upside down, the positive aspect is that you have plenty of space inside of each bag to customize, to expand. In the summertime, you can go less gear. In the wintertime, you can go more gear. It does offer some flexibility for the larger size bags and the additional weight. To summarize my thoughts concerning this kit, in my opinion, it's a major go. For 40 bucks, you're getting everything that you need here to organize your gear. You got 6 bags that you can use for basically any purpose that you want. The quality is very good, the versatility is good, the weight is not terrible even though it is somewhat heavy. These bags are well thought out, well designed, they have good features, each is labeled. In truth, there's not much to dislike. These bags even have a little cat logo on there. For my review of the Mauhoso kit bags, that is that. Before you go, make sure to sound off in the comment sections down below, share your thoughts concerning this system. What do you think about the 6 bags for the $40 price tag? If you have found this episode helpful, hit the thumbs up before you go. I do appreciate it. Everybody, take care, be well, strength and honor. Bye for now.